Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how to use AI, that is ChatGPT, to write and organize your story plot outline. The one that is free from grammatical errors and well written, okay? You know, AI has been designed for us to work smartly and not hard. If you want to achieve a great result, do not solely depend on AIs to do your job for you, okay? So don't try to write everything using AI. Listen up. I have a friend that uses AI to write, and you won't decode it at all. It's not possible for you to know that she's writing with AI because of what? She have mastered her craft and she's doing very, very well. I met her in this space. She is very, very incredible in dealing with AI because of what? Months, days of expertise. Without wasting much of your time, let's go into details on how to use this AI. But before I proceed, if you like what I am doing in this channel, if you want me to grow in this channel, I want you to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed to my channel, share with friends my YouTube channel, okay? Because I am trying my possible best to give you tips free of charge, okay? It is left for you to do what? To use the knowledge and information you are getting from this channel to your own, for your own benefit, okay? So I am going to go ahead and show you how to use AI smartly and get a good and amazing result, okay? Before we start this, I have done my research and have a story idea that I want to develop. Then after that, I'll go ahead and type it. I'm going to show you all these things. I'm going to go ahead and type it, and anywhere it comes to my head, then not minding the grammar. After all, English language is not my first language. It's just a borrowed and second language, okay? So after that, I will now go to ChatGPT and do the wonders. So let me show you practical how I do that, okay? Okay, this is my writing app. This is what I typed after I have done my research, watch series of videos on real short, and read a lot of free novels on Novel Up. And this is my story. I'm not going to read it out. So this is what I wrote by myself, not arranged, just a full story, okay? Storyline from the start to the finishing, okay? So that's what you have to have in mind. You will do the research and write your story from the start to the finishing without minding. If you want to use AI to do what? To break down your story outline, okay? You write it out. After writing out, then this is the written one, okay? I use AI to do that. AI helped me to put it in exposition, inciting incidents, rising action, climax, falling action, resolution, okay? This is the wonderful effect of AI, okay? Depending on how much you write, that's how AI will do it for you. So let me show you how AI do that. And the prompt I keyed in the AI before this, my plot outline was generated, okay? So let me show you that. Okay, this is my free ChatGPT app that I'm making use of. So as you can see, the prompt I gave to the AI, my best friend now. So I gave it, help me to arrange my story idea, remove all grammar errors, and write it like a full story plot, starting with the beginning to the end. That is exposition, inciting incident, rising action, climax, resolution, okay? This is a summary of fated to my forbidden alpha, okay? I got the ideas from real short. If you have not downloaded that app, you are missing a lot. Nobody paid me to do this advert, but I'm just doing it for free. Okay, so this is the story line. After you are given this prompt, to your chat GPT, then you paste your storyline, what you have written. Okay, after you have written it, then you paste it here. So this is the refined one, okay, from chat GPT. Okay, see the title: exposition, inciting incident, rising action, climax, falling action, resolution. Okay, you can equally do what? Bring down your paper and pen to write all these things out. Okay, the prompt only. Okay, then you can also do your own research, the one that can be of better action for you. Okay, so this is my own, and I'm showing you one of my secrets. And to tell you the truth, I have a lot of juicy content, but the real thing is that I don't have time. I just feel that the little I have, I'll be giving you ideas for you to make that money that you want to make in this 2024. Do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel, hit on the bell notification so that you're not going to miss any of my beautiful videos. Bye.